In question 6 here, it says, on hold times for callers to a local cable television company are known to be normally distributed with a standard deviation of 1 minute. Find the average call on hold time if the company maintains that no more than, which means less than or equal to, 9% of callers wait more than 5.9 minutes. So we have to go to our Excel spreadsheet and we have to be sure to communicate with it what our mean and standard deviation are. So I go to the part of my Excel spreadsheet where I have the given proportion below, and I'm looking for 9%. So I entered 0.09, and I see that that corresponds to a z-score of negative 1.34076. The problem in this one is what we're trying to find is the mean. We have no idea what the mean is. So going through using the formula that we've learned for z-score, we know that a z-score is found by taking x minus the mean and dividing that answer by sigma. Our z-score here is negative 1.34076. So my z equals that value. I'm just going to go click on equals that cell. Enter. There's my z-score. Now, I know that my standard deviation in this case is equal to 1 minute. So I can put that in, but I don't know what my mean is. So I'm going to delete that. So I know that to find my, what I do know too is that my x value is equal to 5.9 minutes, because we're trying to find what the mean is if no more than 9% of those callers wait more than 5.9 minutes. So I've got z, I've got x, and I have standard deviation sigma. Now, using a little bit of algebra with our z-score formula, we know that we take z and we multiply it by sigma, and then we have to add mu to get our x value, okay? So I have to put my algebra skills to good work. So I know the z, I know the x, I know the sigma, I just don't know mu. So let's plug everything in that we do know. We know z is negative 1.34076. We know x is equal to 5.9. We don't know mu, and we do know sigma is 1. Well, that's nice. We usually would have to divide or multiply both sides by sigma to get rid of that fraction. Well, 1 times negative 1.34076 is equal to negative 1.34076. So we now have that equal to 5.9 minus mu. We're trying to solve for mu. So we're going to have to subtract 5.9 from both sides. And we get negative 7.24076. And we now know that that is equal to, because these go away, that is equal to negative mu. That means positive mu would be just the opposite of that. So mu in our case would be equal to 7.24076.